Hello everyone, it's Toyota Avalon 2002, it's second generation, and I've got a problem with signal switch. As soon as I try to apply my left turn signal, it doesn't work properly, which is not safe to drive. So I decided to replace it. It's quite expensive, but much cheaper than replace it at mechanic shops. So now I'm gonna show you how I will do it. We are gonna need Phillips screwdriver. My ignition is on because I'm gonna turn the steering wheel. We have a first screw over here. Another screw over here on the right. And third one under the steering wheel. Here we go. Now we have to apart this plastic cover around the steering wheel. Basically it's two parts and we need to take out from the clips over here. So I don't want to get any damage. I will use plastic card. And the same manipulation from another side. After apart our cover, we have two screws over here, exactly on the switch. It's still Phillips screwdriver. And gently, remove it. Before disconnect this part, I'm gonna shut off the ignition just in case. Here we go. It's my old one, it's new one. Everything looks the same part number, but I believe it's gonna work for me. Now we are doing opposite way. Put the clip on to engage all our electrical pin, put it in place. After that I need a screwdriver and find a screw. Now I'm gonna check if it works. Right signal, high beam, low beam and left signal. Perfect. It worked out.
Wow.
And now I need to put back the plastic and good to go. It's our top part of plastic cover. We have some special slots for screw for this one and for another side. So would be nice to put this part on the top firstly. And after that I'm going to install the bottom part. We need to match these holes with spot for a screw. Don't forget about this small piece. And when we match everything, we can just clip everything, and rest of our task is put our screws back. and this guy goes here. That's it. As a result, my signal switch is working. I've got right signal, left signal, high beam, low beam, fog light, everything works. I'm quite happy and thank you for watching this video.